Hi, my name is Bob Ferguson. I'm the founder of Skulltec. We're here today to show you a brand new advanced gel cap. This product is proven and tested to reduce impact. This product is also designed to go underneath all helmets that are sold on the market today. Demonstration is going to show you how well it absorbs energy and how well it has the ability to recover. This product works. The data is there to back up exactly what we're saying.